Welcome to Ultimate DIYer. Today we're going to review these Wells Lamont work gloves. They're a leather work glove that comes in multitude of sizes, extremely well made. These are leather, which I love, so they hold up a long time. The ones that I'm holding in my hand are double X's, which is what I require. If you try to go to the big box stores, you're not going to find double X gloves. You'll be lucky if you can find a single X glove. You can get these, I believe, all the way up to a triple X, which is great if you've got big hands and you can't find gloves anywhere. So I usually will buy these in sets of anywhere from 12 to 24 at a time. There's a couple of the things I do like about these. They're very soft leather, so they really feel great when you have them on. They have an elastic band on the inside, which will keep dirt and debris from getting down in the glove. The thumb is reinforced so that it doesn't break open, because a lot of cheaper gloves, that's where it tends to separate us, right at the thumb. And this has a reinforced palm. So if you're working on things and you're moving, say, bricks, whatever, something that's really rough on the hands, or rough on the glove, they tend to wear out here at the palm and the thumb, like I just said. So, great glove. If I was going to rate these on a scale of 1 to 5, I would have to give it a 6 because of the quality and because of the fact I could get the size that I need and the feel. So do yourself a favor and get you some of the Wells Lamont gloves. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.